everyone, it's Katie and welcome to today's video. We have our yearly Taylor Swift holiday merch haul and I'm so excited to show you everything that I got. It's not as much as I got last year, but I do love everything that I got, so let's get into it. I also really quickly wanted to talk about the holiday drops. We had so many this year, so I have them on my computer. Let's run through them. The first drop, like last year, happened on November 13th and there were so many items from every single era. It was kind of overwhelming. So I got 3 items from that initial drop and they ranged from accessories to ornaments to clothing items to more accessories. There's just so much going on and I cannot wait to share with you what I got from that drop. Then we had a week of drops the following week. So Monday was the Life of a Showgirl Hotel collection, which we had a preview in the Spotify pop-up, I believe. We got to see some of the merch that was to come. Then we had the acoustic piano collection. Now they did that last year as well, but they did that this year and did different items. Then we had the Eras Tour collection on Wednesday. Thursday was the Eras Tour piano snow globe, and I think that was the most anticipated by the Swifties. Then Friday, she redropped all of the cardigans. I think there was a new version of the red cardigan, but she did not bring back the holiday cardigans, and I don't think those are ever coming back. And on Monday the 24th, Wednesday the 26th, and Friday the 28th, she did Black Friday sales. And then on Monday the 30th, Sunday the 30th, she did a Cyber Monday sale. So as you can see, there was a lot going on, and I'm gonna share everything that I got, do some try-ons, and let's get into it. In the first initial drop, since there was so much going on and so much stuff, I was worried that it would sell out. I only got 3 items, and unfortunately I had to return 2 of the items, but I'll show clips of those and explain why. The first thing that I got was the Lover Eras Tour pink hoodie. Now this hoodie was so cute. I loved the design. I loved that it was like this bright pink instead of a gray or a white or a black. However, it didn't fit me. It was way too oversized. I got an extra small. I was between an extra small and a youth medium, but I decided to go with an extra small, and now it's sold out, so I can't try a youth medium. But the sizing is really confusing on her site because the extra small and the large sizing is only like an inch off, and that doesn't really make any sense to me. But unfortunately, I had to return that even though I loved it so much. The second thing that I got but had to return were the folklore earmuffs. I loved the concept. These were an immediate add to cart and I was so excited for them. However, when I received them, the quality just wasn't there and it didn't fit my head right and it didn't cover my ears, which was like the main point of earmuffs, so I wouldn't have been able to wear them outside. Don't worry though, we did keep one item, which is the Reputation purse. Now I would compare this purse to a bagoo, which I've always wanted, and this is so cute. I don't know if I would have paid $55 again, but it was definitely a keep because it is spacious and I don't own a bag like this. So it comes with this snake print and it's printed on. It's not like actual snake print, but it looks like this and it's so cute. It's actually very spacious. I could definitely put like a water bottle in here. It has the Taylor Swift keychain, and it's on like a carabiner. Then the strap says Reputation, which I think is so cute and such a cute detail. And I'm just really excited for this bag. As you can see, I do have it shortened because I am short and I wanted it as more of a shoulder bag. But it does have a ton of room inside and the quality is pretty good so far. It has Reputation on the inside and then a zipper pocket, so I'm very excited to use this. The other purse that they had was a Fearless hand-beaded purse, and I'm still deciding if I want it or not. It's $75, which is a lot, but everyone has been saying it is excellent quality, so I definitely have to keep thinking on that, but I do kind of want it. Now, this next item requires a quick little backstory. So after the 2 items didn't work out, the only other thing that I wanted from the store was the Folklore Cabin sweater, and of course it was sold out everywhere and people were reselling it for insane amounts of money. So I got incredibly lucky in that a Swiftie was selling theirs because theirs was way too short on them. So I have it. This is marked as an extra small, but it measures more of a youth medium to a youth small. Don't know how they royally messed that up, but I got lucky and I was very fortunate that I have short arms, so this did fit me. It is a little bit short, but honestly, I love it so much, I do not care. It is pretty good quality despite the mess up on the measurements, but it's so cute, and I love how they did like the subtle merch. And I'm just so excited to own this and wear it. What's a holiday haul without ornaments? I got 3 this year. As you guys may or may not know, I've been doing ornaments, 1 for each era, just because I want to keep my collection kind of small because I like to display them year round. And also they're $25 each, and that's kind of a lot. However, this is an exception. This is the Lay the Table with the Fancy Shit Tolerate It table ornament. Now, I already have the Ivy House of Stone ornament, but I love this so much, and this is gonna be kind of niche, but someone posted a video on TikTok of their calico critters using this ornament as like a table because it's a mini table. It was an immediate ad. I don't care if I already have an Evermore ornament. This is so cute. So it has the table runner, and it's just a little table like from the Eras tour with a little Taylor Swift thing so you can hang it. Look how adorable this is. I can't get over it. I'm so glad I got this, even though it was definitely not like a need, it was definitely a want. Then we got 2 more ornaments. So I got this Torture Poets Department one. It's just the TTPD logo. It's very simple, but I think it's really cute. Then we have the Life of a Showgirl feather ornament. They did this one and the Chihuahua in a purse, which I thought was cute, but I liked this one better. This one is such good quality. It has little diamonds, and I just think it's so cute, and it'll look perfect on the tree. Next up, of course, I got something from the acoustic piano collection. We got the blanket, and I'm so excited about this. This is such good quality. Last year, I got the stocking and then the acoustic piano ornament. So this year I picked up the blanket, and it is smaller than I thought it was going to be. This is my first Taylor Swift blanket ever. I love that it's woven. I think it's so cute, and luckily I'm petite, so it being a little bit smaller does not matter to me. The only issue is the patch is kind of falling off. I think it was like glued instead of sewn on, so I will have to get that fixed. But this blanket is so adorable. I cannot wait to use this to watch the Eras Tour, the final show in the docuseries, and I can definitely use this all year round, so I'm very, very excited about this blanket. These were not in the Christmas drop, but I thought I would show you anyways because they're new to my collection. These are more Life of a Showgirl CDs. Now I have like 14 of them, but these are the Fate of Ophelia single CDs, and I think this is one of my favorite singles of hers, so I picked up these 2 CDs. I love the covers and the back. So this one is the Fate of Ophelia and the Fate of Ophelia instrumental. So cute. And then this one is the Fate of Ophelia Alone in My Tower acoustic version and the Alone in My Tower acoustic version instrumental version. But these are so cute, and I'm so happy. I love collecting CDs, so I'm excited to add these to my collection. I believe that is all for my holiday merch haul this year. I'm super excited about everything. I'm also sad that some things didn't work out, but I know it was a little bit shorter than last year's. If you guys want to check out last year's, I'll leave the link down below. But I hope you guys have a great December, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.